How to post a new job update on LinkedIn. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to post a new job update on LinkedIn. So it's an easy simple process. First just head over to your LinkedIn application and now simply tap on this post button from the bottom of your navigation bar, and once inside here you can see there's a plus icon right next to your gallery section, and just tap on this plus icon. Here you should be seeing celebrate option. Now simply tap on this celebrate option over here. Since we are updating people about our new job, simply tap on this new position, as we are about to share a new job update, and you can simply choose any one of these graphics below. So I will simply tap on this one over here, and you can simply click on next and just click on your new position like this. Let's say you're a graphic designer, just like this. And once you are satisfied, you can simply tap on post to share your new job update on LinkedIn. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.